can never get YouTube up, but I think I got it now. Okay. So, I enabled desktop audio. What else? I have the lo-fi thing playing. I already did the theme song. So now let's get on this podcast sound pad. Alright, let me turn this down for a second. So, can you hear this? Let me try that again. Okay, so again, this is what I'm seeing for OBS. And okay. Why is desktop audio not? Bro. Alright. So my boy Shopping just texted me he's gonna be at his command center. Alright. So cool, we got that. Let's okay, so for that scene switcher, although this company seems to be quite active and I like them a lot, a lot of times hardware isn't supported for a long time with software, so I'm going to see if I can build in the capability to control the pedal itself so it's not always tied to F2. Where am I at? get this podcast app. Cool, cool, cool. Okay. This is what the app looks like, by the way. appreciate you. Okay. Cool. So looks like this is will stay on top of other windows, so that makes it pretty useful. Let's see, can I make it so it doesn't have to stay on top? Not a desktop widget per se, but hey, I'm good with this as a solution for now, I think. All right. I want something to snack on. I did get these lemon heads. Oh, I do have some good plays. So. All right. I just want to ChatGPT, and I'm asking if there's any music creation LLMs available on GitHub, specifically LLM because I want to be able to talk to it. Sorry. Somebody outside. So let me switch my front yard up to be like, boom. So I saw somebody driving by looking at lights, so I decided to do the playlist of effects outside. House goes together, but you know, let me see. Can we stomach that for a little while? What do you think? I don't think that's too bad. Here? No, we're here. Oh, okay, so cool. I think I'm wearing the same clothes as yesterday. In fact, I know I am. I didn't shower either. But not bad. Alright. So, oh yeah, we're back in here. So right now, I'm just trying to see, maybe create an agent for doing my intros and outros and this background music. Let me switch this back over. Cool. Nice. All right. So we have our soundboard here. All right, so we have our soundboard done, and it works. I have some sound effects here. Oh, we should have it rename these. But
What the hell? Oh my God! No way! Yeah,
and this one should be. I love that. All right. Let's see if we can name the other ones. So I'm asking if I can see that README. I'm gonna have it grab screenshots for me of the widget and the main app. Let me do this. Can I resize this? What? There we go. Ooh, sweet. All right, cool. Shit, it'll do it for me. All right. All right. Screen capture. Sweet. I should probably do that, and then yes, boom, cool. Well, shit, there. All right. Cool. I think you can hear the music in the background. Let me get this over to the side. anyways, let me get this out of the way, bro. Okay, what's going on with this? Oh. Alright, we'll see if it. Hey, I got that. That's why there's nothing there. Which camera are we on? This one, cool. What is that too? Let me turn that down more. So, alright, so right now where we at? This. Screenshot. Okay, fine. Oh, I didn't know that. That's pretty sweet. Alright, let me minimize this a little bit. Minimize that. We're going to the spacebar. Oh shit, I didn't know there's one. Cool. Downloads, and we'll do here we go. Let's see what this logo looks like. Okay. Oh, gee. The desktop logo or shortcut logo. All right. Oh yeah. That, and then let's do. Where's my fucking widget? Where's the widget? So right now I'm going to publish that to GitHub. No, I actually have a viewer, huh? Alright. So right now I'm publishing this podcast MIDI soundboard to GitHub. Let's see. So I have this desktop widget. And it's like main app. And then I can basically change what the button does and which buttons map to on my keyboard. So, for instance, I could do okay, did we hear that? That plays through the computer. We gotta fix desktop audio on this. That's on the list of things to do. Alright, so where were we? So the reason why I brought it off screen is because it wants to let me put my credentials in. Right now, yeah, good thing I didn't put it on screen. It's got my API key. It says I'm a viewer, so hello. All right. I'm gonna have it bring up. I'll have it bring up the GitHub on screen as soon as it publishes it. And the music is also provided by Claude. Right now I have it using the MIDI controller to play on this keyboard. So I'm doing, figured I'd live stream this and solve my own problems first. So I'm trying to get, use AI to finish setting it all up. Okay, cool. Let's see. It is. Boom, open link. Oh, yeah. Alright. So I don't know if that's useful to anybody, but I'll publish that link. Let's see. Yeah, we'll just do that. Copy. Oh no. Here, I'll put it in the chat here. Cool. All right. So we have that running. That's cool. Next thing. Boom. Okay. So So it's been a little while with these island vibes. So let me have it switch it up a little bit. Let's see, what are we feeling? Where are we at? Here? Cool. All right. So right now, I just published an app and it's in chat. That's a soundboard, and so I can use on this podcast. And it makes it so I can control those sounds with this keyboard that's right behind me. And we're working on some music right now. I had these island vibes playing for a while, so I told it to come up with a different genre. I told it hip hop this time. So we'll see if it's something we can stomach for half hour to an hour. Maybe 15 minutes, I don't know. Oh, then we're gonna try turning it into an agent. But I'm not gonna spend too much time on that because I actually have other things I wanted to work on. Was that the keyboard or is that outside? We'll see. Anyway. How are we doing? Come on, man. Okay, I can stomach that. Okay. Oh, getting cut off here. There you go. There we go. Sorry, I should pay more attention. also need to make the BRB screen be come over my image here. I can just do that myself, right? So here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. I have OBS over here, and I want this scene right here. Duplicate, and we're gonna call it coding screen BRB. Cool. We'll bring this up to, how about we bring it down, right above the BRB. Cool. And then we're going to turn off that camera. But we want to see what. Drop it down. Nice. Cool. So you see, boom, OBS screen done. Let me bring that back. All right. Cool. So. We're going back in. We'll save that. Put that off screen. Cool. So, let me get. Boom. Right. Try to figure out which camera's which. Am I going through here? I am. So anyway, in the chat, we just published, or I just published a, what do you call it? Podcast. Let me see what it's called. Podcast MIDI sound pad, right? And I can use my keyboard to play some of these sound effects. That's what I actually wanted to do. That right there, yay! That's the one I wanted to do. So, anyway, so link to that in GitHub. I'm gonna go grab some more tea and maybe some chocolates that I have stashed away. So I'm gonna stick you on this be right back screen, but don't worry, you have some hip hop vibes to listen to, courtesy of Cloud Code. And This sweet ass. Let me show you. This sweet ass keyboard I got for $15 at Goodwill. And so I had Claude write some songs in MIDI, and it's playing on it through this MIDI adapter I have attached over here. It's using my Mac Studio. Cool. What time is it? When I get back, I think I'll turn off these Christmas lights. Oh yeah. Be right back, folks. All right. Got my fresh thing of tea. What camera am I talking to? Okay, I'm over here. I got some stuff from Dollar Tree today. So, where are we at? Okay, so we uploaded this MIDI soundboard to GitHub. The link's in chat. What else were we doing here? Okay, Mac app or cross-platform app for our DJ. My scene switcher here. That's because okay, so you can see right here, I have this pedal I got for $1.99 on Goodwill, or at Goodwill. It's a USB pedal. And so the idea is, let's see if you can see my OBS. This is what I'm seeing. I'm gonna click on the pedal. It'll switch through my scene. So it'll switch through my scenes. Okay, so I have the pedal switching through my scenes, and I'm going to create an app for it. So it's easy because I don't want it switching through all my scenes and really just a few, but I want to be able to go to the other ones easily. So I want to have them available. Oh, I want to, it's great for this agent that's going to play my background music, but this seems a little repetitive. I need to make it go for like at least an hour. I wonder if I should pipe the MIDI audio directly into OBS here. Let's try that actually. Well, we'll do it right now. Audio input capture. Nothing. All right. How about this? So it looks like it's hung up playing music while this thing comes up with something new. Um, oh, I was getting. So I was getting impatient, and I was just gonna cycle power, but it actually was able to reset it. So um, we're coming up with some new background music, something that we can stomach for an hour with enough variation. We might cut it off before then, but otherwise, it's just weird sitting here in silence. But I also don't want to have copyright music, so this is my solution unless you got anything else. All right. Cool. That doesn't really look cool. It's not viewable. What the F? Alright, I basically said that I don't think this looks very good, and that it could look to my websites, magicunicorn.tech and unicorncommander.com, which I still need to work on, but at least they look pretty dope. And it could use the logo from it as well. So. Change these lights. Hold on, it's looking at the website. Oh shit! Don't tell me it's down. just have a copy of the logo, so I'm. Alright. So, where we at? Turning down these office lights. No, changing it to that. There we go. Alright. Do that. Logo. Music sounds pretty decent. Alright, let's see what it says. Control hip hop track is now playing. So it says the full MIDI control hip hop track is now playing. This version actively controls your keyboard via MIDI. Features in action. Program changes, dynamic switching instruments, bass, finger bass, pad, polysynth, keys, bright acoustics. And it says reverb. It's got a chorus. Filter, brightness. It says the track will vary all these parameters throughout the hour, creating a much more dynamic and expressive performance that showcases what your Panasonic keyboard can do when fully controlled via MIDI. You should hear the effects changing, filters opening up, reverb swelling, sounds panning across the stereo field. That sounds pretty decent. But why don't I see it changing effects? Let me reboot that keyboard. So I'm just saying it worked on a previous song, and so I want to know why the keyboard's not changing now. So I want my actual logo in there. That's better. Cool. So I don't want this one to stay on top. is it though? Damn it. That was wrong agent. My buddy shopping just told me to give him a holler, so let me do that. Oh, you know what? I'm trying to think whether we should use Live Kit or dude, I can't remember the name of it. I'll tell you what. He'll be up for it. We'll do this. I'm gonna FaceTime video him. Bro. Alright. Let me see, do I have Live Kit? Let me see this. Oh, let's do some bro. think I have this room do this. I'm gonna text him the link. Boom. Then, although it'll probably show up here, and I don't think anybody is watching. If they are, feel free. Feel free to dial in. Doesn't look pretty terrible. Alright, come on, bro. I think I need to approve them. Jitsi was pretty good. There we go. Jitsi was pretty good. I can hear you. Can you hear me? Oh, hold on. Boom. How's that?
That's good.
Alright.
You guys have any music?
Yeah, so here I'll share my screen, which, you know, is, can't, here we go, window, entire screen. Boom. We'll share this screen. Cool. Alright. Let me move shopping out of the way for a second. So, and turn this down. Turn it out a little bit. So anyways, what we have, what we have right now is, I published this right here. It's like that soundboard thing, so I published that to GitHub. And that also, I can program these things for different sound effects and also to go with the keyboard. So, like I showed you. So anyways, I did that. The next thing is a widget for it. Yeah, I had it before I started with the one that was playing last night. I think I told you I woke up and it was still playing this morning, or did I not tell you that?
You did not.
Okay, so it was still playing in a loop. So anyways, then I had to do like a reggae thing tonight, and then I'm thinking, because I have to have something I can listen to without wanting to like punch myself in the face. So this one's like a hip hop one. I wanted to use the effects of the keyboard itself. Right now, it's not changing the what effects on the screen, but I know it can do it because it did it for that other song, But I'm not gonna spend too much time on it. I'm just trying to get some repeatable things done for this, publish it if it helps something else, that kind of thing. So, and then I'm doing making the app for the scene switcher for my, which just came up on screen, for this pedal that I got from Goodwill for $1.99. This USB pedal. You know what I mean? Huh?
You're able to change the scenes?
Yeah. Let's see, I can do... Yeah, but I'm trying to have... Oh, you're over here now. CD is so much to manage. So, I don't want to see infinite, right? So I'm showing you what I have here, and then we'll bring you back on screen. So yeah, here's the thing to cycle through. Oh, you mean the scenes? Yes. That's exactly what it does. But see, I only want to cycle through some. You know what I mean? So like the starting screen, stuff like that. When I click the pedal, like I probably only want to cycle through 3 main things, and don't want to like get messed up with having the microphone be on my iPhone versus in here, or my media interface, the XLR mics. So.
You created a web app to change scenes?
And what? Yeah, it probably uses the WebSockets, right? But it calls this, so it has a script running, that detects when a certain, key patterns generated. And I actually had live streamed it last night when I was working on it, but it was it uses some plugins. It uses advanced scene switcher. Mm-hmm. And some other things, and so I also didn't really want to depend on the software that comes, to set the hardware device, because they always stop supporting it. So I try to have it replicate where it could program the pedal as well. So it made a script to do it. I haven't tested any of this stuff. I have use the scene switcher with the pedal. I'm just having it do a GUI for it, so I can like very quickly say, okay, I want to switch through these scenes. Maybe I have an idea in mind of this, like a more structured live stream or podcast, and I know what I'm going to be doing as far as switching scenes. Does that make sense?
It does.
See, so I think I just switched the scene here. Let me bring you back on screen here and stop sharing. I said that it need to be on top. Stop sharing. Boom. And I'm sure that will be good. I also need to have my desktop audio go so you're able to hear it, This is my friend Shafin Khan, the great realtor out of Dallas, Fort Worth, specifically Frisco.
Frisco, Texas, yeah.
Full stack developer, AI enthusiast, early adopter. Already had a business, already sold it. Lovely wife. New father, new baby. But his time is his own.
And he ain't got no job.
You ain't got no job? Bro, it's always good talking to you, man. So,
Yeah, bro.
what do you got going on? You had your brokerage party today, right, bro?
Yeah, man.
What else?
I don't know why I expect like different results, but yeah.
What do you mean?
There's no quality there. There's no quality.
Oh, bro, I'm live streaming, by the way.
It's okay.
Okay. Bro. Man, shopping, I love it, bro. Yeah, so why not? Tell me why there wasn't quality there.
Man, I'm wasting my time talking about it. Let's not talk about it.
Okay, that sounds good. Do I need to sit down for this, bro? So how's your studying going?
Is that a Z13? Wow. That looks like one of the most powerful laptops out there.
Sir, you are correct. It is. Courtesy of Mr. Shafin Khan here.
I didn't do nothing, man. We're fine. We're all basic.
That is true. That is true. Alright, bro. Let me... Yeah, I need to add that to the development list. But I say solve your own problems first, right? So that's what I'm doing with these podcast thing, and I won't spend too much time on it, I promise. Is this, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, everything has to be dope. Thank you.
I'm also waiting on the wake up so I can feed him and then go to bed.
Oh, yeah, that sounds good. I'm not sure how, man, it's been 2.5 hours, so I might be calling it quits. Huh?
You've been training for 2.5 hours?
Live streaming? Yeah. Oh, I actually have a viewer here too. Somebody on Twitch, I guess. Maybe they like the music. Maybe it's you, bro. You been listening to the music? On YouTube? Nothing. Nobody, I don't think. Well, no, I had a viewer or two. Hold on. Because I have them split in the screen. It's not showing. Oh, I should shrink the interface. Bro, here we go. Now I can see. But there's... There we go. One concurrent viewer. I don't know. Oh, 3 views total. 1 minute and 45 seconds. But, like I said, right now, just doing the down and dirty, I figure I'll share the process anyways. So, that's where we're at. one viewer on Twitch, bless you, kind sir or ma'am. What else? Once I get those scene switcher things, then we'll start vibing. Then I'll start talking about our various projects. You know, Unicorn Commander and such, Cognitive Companion, LoopNet Leads. That's probably be a first one because it does a simple thing. We'll just see if there's any real tours. Yeah, but I think I want to make a desktop app anyways, or refactor it so I just have the SMTP verification on the server. Plus, I need to touch base with Kyle. He wanted to pay me to do a website and some automated social media stuff for him and stuff. So.
Cognitive?
Huh?
Did you say cognitive social media?
Automated.
Automated.
Oh, bro, I have a picture. Let me text it to you.
You created something?
Never mind, it's on my phone. No, I was in Dollar Tree because there's a new one that opened by my house. And I saw, it said, chai tea latte. So I took a picture of it. I was going to text it to you. So the reason why that's funny is because it's just chai. Chai means tea, or is a it's type of tea. It'd be redundant, and not in the good way, bro. Not redundant in the good way.
Chai and tea are the same thing as well.
Well, here would be my argument, but tea is not all chai. Because I'm drinking chamomile. Right. Bro, you froze. Should I take a screenshot? I'm going to take a screenshot of this and I'll text it to him. Oh, bitch. Oh. Bro, I was just going to take a screenshot of your frozen face and then text it to you. But then you came back.
Yeah.
Yeah, so. Huh?
We're talking about chai tea.
Oh, yeah. So I said, yeah, but not all tea you have is chai. For instance, I have some chamomile with a little bit of half and half. It's the Stash Tea. Stash Tea brand. What, bro?
We're live streaming, so I have some questions that I just.
Should we
So,
stop live streaming?
no. I'm just
What?
curious. When was the last time I watched?
Bro, you know, so here's the thing. You can wash it, you can put it through the dishwasher, and the tea stains don't come out. And it's a lot to scrub it, but you know what makes them come out instantly?
What?
Bleach.
Really?
Seriously. You put some, seriously, bleach, even if you wipe it, they just come right off. That means even going through the dishwasher and everything. I bet you it has to do with something to do with the acidity of the tea concentrate that's been formed, and the basic nature of bleach, the extreme basic nature. I believe, I don't know, where does it fall on the pH scale?
I don't know. Beep, beep, boop, bop, bop.
You're funny. Hey, I also did another scene too. So here's the thing: if we were doing this, let me show you this coding. Boom. We gotta be right back.
nothing happened on my
I
end.
know it's going on. It's just on live stream. That's okay.
Okay, let me
I'll switch to
let me
that
go on
here.
there.
Oh, because also I don't know why we need. Here we go. I got you. I should get rid of. Boom. All right. Cool. So, what else is new other than partying all day at this brokerage party?
That wasn't all day.
Did they have any? Did they have any food there?
Okay, that was the other part about it. They had some appetizers, and the dinner didn't start until like 8:15. Too late, I believe.
8:13. Oh, damn. What were they having?
It was all Indian food. So
Oh,
we had butter chicken, biryani.
that's cool. Man, you had for your baby shower or whatever. That's what it was, baby shower, right? 'Cause,
We had biryani at the baby shower. That food was good.
They super good. They had also had goat, which you don't find too often. Like I always like to get that or lamb. So
Yeah, bro.
the roe. Here, you want a pretzel?
No, I'm good, thank you.
So what else?
Not much else went on, dude. Just
What else is going on with Tax Square? I know I have to send some forms and
yeah, 8821, right?
yeah.
Yeah,
Something like
you
that.
just do those, you do those. Bro, the time has come.
Cool.
Let me actually, hold on, let me get the bottle. I'll be right back. Just a second.
Oh, okay. Come on with you.
Oh, he was hungry. Is hungry, is hungry. He's no fool. So, but yeah, besides studying and that's it. We had his doctor's appointment.
Yeah. When do you think you'd be done studying? He's
When
studying
when
for
I'm-
his enrolled agent exam.
Man, I don't know, dude. It's like I said today, like I'm trying to read the chapters instead of going to watch the videos because it's just the videos are moving fast, but it doesn't cover everything.
Mm-hmm.
Like the test questions come up, like it's missing. It's just skipping questions in there. So I'm like, okay, I'm better off just reading the material and being familiar with it. So we'll find out. I might even extend the dates for the exam. Just give me a second. Hey, boo boo, hopefully we go. We go.
Yeah, we'll look that up.
Yeah, there we go. Just go with that.
It's supposed to be good for like an hour. Man, I'm running out of juice though myself. I mean, as far as how much I want to be live streaming, especially the work on stuff, I am kind of tired. I was gonna.
So for tax, you were talking about tax square when you started.
That's
Melissa
alright.
had, he had committed a website that I would build for one of his clients,
Mm-hmm.
and I realized that like the time for making really good websites, it requires a certain level of like attention to make it. You can't just say, "Oh, make me a website and do it."
Mm-hmm.
You have to be very big about like asking for certain things. So I got
Also, remember I said there's a difference between like having a website and wanting like a platform, like a system,
right.
an application.
Yeah, so we made the first iteration and it just turned out like crap, and I'm like, well, because I didn't put anything into it, you know.
Mm-hmm. Well, so how long ago was it?
The website, it probably took about 15 minutes to build it. You can check it out right now if you want to go stream to it.
Sure. That's it.
I don't know if you're doing a screen share or not. I know.
Yeah, I have Google open, so what's up?
It's a retentiontheory.genesisflowlabs.com.
Let me bring out here. Okay.
Mm.
This here.
Mm. You're not sharing your screen on my end.
Yeah. Here, I'll do it real quick. It's gonna show infinite, but oh, here I'll share a window. Here or tap, even better. Boom.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Let's.
So without, it took about 15 minutes to put it together. It's a single page website. I wasn't very impressed by it.
Snap. Yeah, that's cool. I mean, except was it AI generated person here?
No. It's her picture. I had to go Google it.
Oh. Well, yeah, I think probably need higher resolution of it or something. Although it's different going through the streaming than it is on the 4K, I guess. I was looking, but yeah, let's do this.
So, but yeah, that's something that just recently I did. It's whatever.
Yeah.
What I'm really, I guess, I need to get back to working on is the website for Legacy of the GYN. So that's something I'm working on.
Nice, bro. Let's well.
Can you show us some of your Magic Unicorn stuff? Are you comfortable sharing that now?
Not yet, cause I'll talk in depth about it. I appreciate the alley-oop.
Yeah.
But
What about
also
anything? Yeah.
because my Magic Unicorn.tech website is down, I just found out. Even though it's on a VPS, VPS. What the heck, right?
Why is that the case? Why is it down?
I don't know. I haven't looked at it in a while. You know, trying to get this space finalized, but I'll probably dig into it tomorrow, or maybe next week, early next week.
What are your thoughts on that new codex? What is it, ChatGPT 5.2?
Yeah, man, I haven't even used it yet.
But is that a direct competition to Claude Max?
How much is it to use the codex part? Like, I really haven't dug into it. Should we look it up? Let's look it up, girl.
I haven't. No, I just saw it in my news. That's it.
Let's look it up. Can we just freaking get? See, that's what I'm saying. I'd have to look more. I just want the terminal interface that does the shit. But I mean, so when I was using Open Interpreter, which has command line level access, and it's been the last few years. It's kind of like how Claude Code is, but we just used to put in the API key and just use it through all the providers. So I'd use Claude with it. I would also use OpenAI with it. I switched to DeepSeek with it. I've done some local models with it.
These were all free?
No, you pay for most of them, but that's why when DeepSeek came out, it was like 80% cheaper, something like that. What used to pay for every single token to be like a gas meter. It'd be frustrating if it fucked up because the things weren't even as smart as it is now. I say that like it was 20 years ago, which, like, in terms of regular technology, that's about what it feels like. It's been a 20-year leap since then, but that was like 2 years ago, probably.
Nice switch on the scenes, bro.
What's that?
Nice camera angle switch.
Thank you. That I had to do old school because right now I'm just using straight iPhone and iPhone camera, or iPhone audio, because I know it will just work. But I'll switch back to my the one that makes me sound awesome, especially if I have some sexy music playing.
So, do you feel like that what level would you say is playing the music at right now, Claude?
I don't know. Late 90s, MIDI, something like that. No, I mean, honestly, I think it's pretty good. I put some constraints on it. I put some constraints as far as like only using the sound effects from this keyboard. But when you let it just use whatever sound effects,
You want to see something funny?
Yeah.
I think it's just always funny when I see him after I feed him. Alright. Do a little bit of purple.
Oh, see, they were supposed to be able to see this OpenAI that I was looking at. Never mind. So, dude, I don't know if there's actually an active viewer on Twitch or what. But man, that's crazy.
Actually awesome.
I guess, I don't know. They probably fell asleep and their thing got stuck. I mean, dude, come on. But, yeah. Anyways, I'll get my flow back. I gotta get this podcast stuff done, you know what I mean? Because this isn't the problem I want to deal with anymore. I just want it working. Is that too loud?
It was a little loud.
I don't even know if it's playing through this desktop audio, which is another problem I have to fix. See? But hey, it's alright. I put out this MIDI sound pad controller. You know, it's functional. go. You want to hear a different song or not really?
Sure. Sure.
Alright, let's see. I'll shrink this so we can see both of us. Boom.
So the camera quality is pretty good though.
This is the iPhone 1, of course. How about this?
I haven't switched over yet.
Oh, it's got focus.
Yeah, this is pretty good too, man.
How good?
Pretty good.
Is
It's pretty good.
yeah, but dude, even I see. It's just like, what the fuck? Dude, this is like night and day. Am I right or wrong?
The other one was pretty good too, man.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you. Give me the shit. You can see. Then that's good, bro. That's really good.
Now, if you can change the other one to do like 0.5 zoom out,
Oh,
it's more comparable.
Oh, zoom out. Yeah, maybe. But oh, all right. Let me get this other song. I could just probably go in and fucking play it manually, but that'd be too easy, bro. You ain't got no job.
Good job, bro.
I know, dude. You're a dad, and that's one of the hardest jobs in the world. It is, bro.
You're short. It's only been 1 month. Can you believe it's already been a month?
No, has it really, dude? That's crazy. When's his birthday again?
November 20th.
Oh wow. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Let's see how it is. Yeah, what do you think about this one?
It's slower.
Agreed, bro. don't think it's too bad of lo-fi vibes.
No. Not bad.
I think it just did a variation. No, that's chill. I mean, I could totally listen to that for a while. Let's see what else. So now I'm going to see if I can pipe the MIDI directly into the feed. Nice. It's like you have a djembe. Anyways, so yeah, that, and then I was having it work on an agent to repeat it, but I wanted a local interface. Oh, you can't see that. Let me share my screen with you, bro. Bro. There we go. Boom. See that, bro? But I didn't like this interface.
Can you increase the BPM?
Huh?
Can you increase the beats per minute?
Oh, yeah, probably. This was just a front end mock up, I guess. Oh, I have to do it over here. So, yeah, it's intro, outro. Then you can go custom instructions. But I just wanted to do it for this podcast. Just do intro, outro. Maybe I'll have a context aware so that it can just automatically play my sound effects. That one? Yeah. So I can have it play my sound effects. Damn it, hold on. There we go. Dude, this has got some very Red Hot Chili Peppers vibes.
Beverly Hills.
I had it doing a reggae one too. Here, let's have it play that reggae. Let's drop screen share, bro. Screen share. How about this? Entire screen. Boom. Share that, bro. You're going to, but they're going to want to see you. Me, maybe not. Alright. So, you know what? Let me do this. Let me just share a window here. Window. Come on, man. Panasonic examples. I believe it's this one. And we can't see that one. That's right. You don't need to see it. Can we play that reggae one? thinking that we need Magic and Glitterman back. Hold on. There we go. Wait, hold on a second. You gotta move your camera so it's pointing at your head, bro.
There we go. Better?
Yes, sir. Remember when you had the cow horns? I think I have a screenshot of that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what I did with that.
But hey, I'm just saying, this is an easy solution to the copyright music. Tell me it's not, bro.
I think it's good.
Tell me it's not, bro.
Good.
Tell me it's not, bro.
Bro, I might have to call it.
Crack me up. Well, I appreciate you, bro. I might have to call it myself.
Catch up, man.
It's been 3 hours. All right, man. Love you, man. We'll talk tomorrow. All right, brother. And so
So, I was just using LiveKit Meet to chat with my friend Shafen. And it's https meet.livekit.io. Here, we have it up on screen now. Meet.livekit.io, and I went into the demo here. I know you can get the source code on GitHub. I actually am trying to build in the interface for Cognitive Companion with LiveKit in mind, not only for the voice interaction, but also for their LiveKit rooms feature. I'm trying to put that on this camera am I in. Boom. Sorry. I'm trying to put that on this. It is what we are calling the Genesis Flow Z13, but it's the Asus ROG Z13 Flow. It's good enough. It can run AI. Yeah. We'll work on that when we get. What am I doing here? We'll work on that after we get this podcast finished being set up. So, I figured I'd kind of show behind the scenes, get to see it raw. So this is in the process of making this happen. Anyway, let's kill this. So I put this podcast MIDI soundboard on GitHub. I will, when I get done with this scene switcher, that's I'm using for this pedal that I got from Goodwill for $1.99 to switch between scenes with my foot. Hello, thank you. Hi, how you doing? Hello. But see, I need to get my scene straight and know which camera I'm looking at. Yeah. Right? Yes. I need to rename this. It's called Just Chatting, but I need to rename it to my iPhone camera so then I can talk and switch scenes with the pedal and then talk in the next camera. Anyways, it's getting late. So, yeah. I'll try finishing the scene controller maybe tomorrow. And what else? Then we'll work on this music player so I can make that repeatable every time. Yes. So I can make that repeatable every time. And I'll also publish those things on GitHub. And then I don't know about my thumbnail on YouTube. I might need to fix that. We'll work on the rest of this stuff. Then we'll get into some of the software builds. We'll also release some of that on GitHub. And also my hosted instance of Forge Joe, which is part of the software stack / ecosystem that I'll talk about and I'll tell you that I'm building out. Anyways, I guess because I'm a sucker for at least some level of structure, can I even see who actually is viewing live? I am going to give us an outro. Boom. Okay, can you make... So let's see what this thing comes up for an outro. Get this off the screen. You can take a look at this still. Let's see. Come on, man.
What the hell? Oh my God, no way. Damn, that's a little loud. All right. did. I want to hear that again, though. So.
Man, if you hung out, I appreciate it. Hope you learned something. Anyways, I'm about to call it a night. Hope you get some good sleep. Let's get that outro, and I'll see you tomorrow.
All right. And with that, good night.